fasten your seatbelts. Shahid Afridi is here. Not even one. In business straight away. Over the boundary for 6. Now he's down over cover, and that's a monster. .78 6. Now that's a long way up. Fielder will just watch it sail over. Now over long off. Push the boundary to Chittagong at one end and Cox's Bazar at the other. There he goes. That's the biggest of them all. That is in orbit.
Huge.
There, that's in his zone. And he can hit it safely for 4. Because cover and mid-off are in. He's connected this one, and it is somewhere in the stands. Just keep a whole box full of balls by the umpire, because you're going to need all of those. One day international history, Sanat Jais. There it goes. That's a shot we were talking about. Fine leg was inside the circle. Afridi gets to a 50 from just 18 balls. It's a joint second fastest. Up in the air, who's going to claim it? It's gone to short cover. He drops it.
Mushfiqur Rahim, look at the crowd knowing that it's going to be taken. It's not. It's dropped. They cannot believe it. Look at the reaction.